be showing you how to make glue. We've got my friend Amy here helping. Today we're just going to need some flour. So we'll open this jar up with a bowl and the bits of flour. So first of all we're going to pour a bit of flour.
Do this bit.
Yep, pour some flour in here. Okay, pour some water in.
All of it?
We're just going to make sure a little bit. Perfect.
Perfect. We'll leave that.
Great. Just maybe
Just a little more.
And now we're going to need to mix this.
So we get a spoon.
Yep. Grab this. And then we're going to mix it till there's no lumps.
Yep.
So maybe
More flour and some more water.
Yep.
More. Can I do it?
Yep. Just not too much though. Perfect.
Keep mixing till you need more water. You need more? Just a little bit.
Yeah. Perfect. So mushy. You can see,
You need
guys.
some more water or?
No.
Okay.
You can see this is how it turns out. It'll need a day to dry in the fridge though. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to click like and subscribe down below. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!